Anubha, your tech trainer, and today we are starting with the exciting journey into the data science. Now I know what you are thinking. What is data science? Sounds complicated, full of charts, numbers, and maybe even aliens. But trust me, it's not that scary. In fact, it's all around you, and you have been using it every day without even realizing it. Imagine that you order a pizza from your favorite app. So, behind the scenes, here is what happens: the app tracks your location, it remembers your favorite toppings, it predicts the delivery time, it asks you to rate the food, then it recommends a dessert. All of this is powered by data science. So, data science is actually the art of turning the data into decisions. In our case, data was your orders, clicks, ratings. Science is using the programming, statistics, and logic, and the purpose is to predict, understand, and improve the things. In simple words, data science help the companies answer the questions like what do customers want next? Which product will sell more? Which student might drop out? Is this loan application risky? Guys, in order to learn data science, it would require three skills: programming like Python, maths and stats, don't worry, we'll make it fun, and the business understanding. There are many roles in the data world like data analyst, data scientist, BI analyst, then machine learning engineers, and many more. And yes, you can become one of them. So, if you are starting from scratch, just like me, let's do this together. Tomorrow we'll start with Python, which is the most popular language for data science. So guys, stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.